Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Today I want to offer a reflection on the gospel reading from today's liturgy. It comes from the Gospel of Luke, and to set the stage for this reading, Herod has heard about the ministry of Jesus. He has heard about his preaching, about how Jesus has said he wants to bring good news to the poor and declare a year of favor from the Lord. He's heard about some of the signs, the healings, and other things that Jesus has done. And so, as the reading says, he's perplexed. He has heard some people say that John the Baptist has been raised from the dead, or that Elijah has appeared, or one of the ancient prophets has come back. And so Herod says, well, wait a minute, I already beheaded John, and so who is this person? Who is this Jesus? And he was interested. He wanted to see him. Well, Jesus, as we know and as we believe, is God in the flesh. And so, building on the theme that I've been talking about all week, we believe that God is with us, and we believe that God sent his son Jesus to be his presence on earth in the flesh. So why couldn't Herod see that? Well, because in order to understand and believe that Jesus is God present among us, we must have faith. So Herod did not have the faith that allowed him to see that Jesus was the presence of God. Later on, when Jesus asks the disciples, who do people say that I am? It is Peter who will respond, you are the Messiah. You are the one for whom we have been waiting. And Peter is able to say that and understand that and see that Jesus is the presence of God because he has faith. And so we too can recognize Jesus as God with us if we but have the faith to acknowledge him as our God. Thank you once again for watching, and please have a great day.